Alright guys, replace me before I break you. Stay tuned and I'll tell you what I'm talking about. Hey guys, so we're out here on a beautiful Sunday evening. Just got home from church and it is amazing here in North Alabama. It's about 70 degrees. Yep, 70 right on the nose. And I just happened to remember I messed up a strap the other day, and I tell y'all all the time, if you want to have a safe trip, you got to start out doing safe things and inspect your equipment. Come here, Tammy. Let me show you. I got Tammy running my camera today, but look here what happened. And the strap is really not that old, and that's the ones that always you mess up. But we have to be aware of these places in our strap, because if we don't, you'll have happen to you what happened to me one day. I had a strap that had a nick in it, and I knew about it, but I thought, well, it ain't a very big nick. It'll be alright. Well, I haul steel parts all the time, and so I went to strap down that load, and I, strapped it down real hard because I wanted to make sure it didn't move. And when I was trying to get one more click, the strap broke, and I nearly broke this pinky. I busted his hand up pretty good. And thankfully, that's all I did. I didn't hurt myself any worse. I've heard of guys getting hit in the face with the bars. I've heard of people face planting in the asphalt. It could be really, really, really bad if we don't keep an eye out for these straps. Not only that, that could cost you money. Just hurting yourself could put you out of working, medical bills, all that. But what could really cost you a bunch of money if we don't change these out is you could have a strap that you went ahead and put on come loose or break, and a load come loose, and it could hit, the load come off, and it could hit and kill somebody. And that would really cost you a bunch of money, and we don't want that, and we don't want nobody getting killed either. I want y'all to look. How much y'all think I use? I have all 30-foot straps. Most of my loads are not over a foot tall, but you know what? Every now and then, I haul big tall loads, so I gotta have 30-foot ones. But look at there. Look at all that new strap right there. It's never been used. But anyway, I know it's hard to do. It's hard to change a strap out when you've only used that much of it, or change the strap out like I've done before, a brand new strap. I used it one time and it messed up, but I tell you guys all the time to keep these around, and I don't do that just to sell you something. I do that for safety, because I don't want you using a strap because you don't have a strap. You know what I'm saying? I don't want you to sacrifice safety, your safety, and the safety of the people around you, all because you didn't have one either in the truck or at home ready to use. So whatever we do, they sell these at truck stops. Even if you have to pay twice as much for them, it's better to do that than it is to get somebody hurt. Or you could just do like I do. You could click the link below and order you a bunch, and you'll have them. Mytee's got a deal right now, $10 off $250. So you wouldn't have to buy many. You could buy some straps and whatever else you needed, and you'd have a $250 order and save you a little bit of money. But anyway, I want to get on here and tell you guys about that. I'm all the time talking about safety, and this is overlooked safety thing. I think a lot of people overlook it and don't think a lot about it. they think, well, that'll still hold a lot. Yeah, it'll still hold a lot, and that'd be great for somebody that was just moving their lawnmower across their yard or something. But I wouldn't want to use that to haul anything with, because it don't matter what you haul, and if it breaks and comes off that trailer, it's going to hurt somebody. So, and we don't want to do that. So, guys, I hope you're having a great day. Don't forget the links in the description. We got the beefjerky.com 10% off, and the Mytee discount I just told you about. All that's in the description. That helps our channel. If you buy through our links, you get a discount. You don't pay any more. You get a discount. So, and it helps us out. Don't forget to like the video if you can. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell and share this video if you think it's worth sharing. Alright guys, I love you. Remember what I always say, if you want to have a safe trip, you got to start out doing safe things. Inspect your truck, your trailer, your equipment before you leave. Love you guys.